So this morning we have a battery light on. So I'm gonna check to see what voltage we're getting. Okay, so we're getting 12.42, which likely means the alternator's bad. So a used alternator is gonna be around 40 bucks. The Henderson pick apart has a few Yarises, so we're gonna go check that out. New ones, like from AutoZone or whatever, are gonna be anywhere from $200 to, like, I've seen 150, 160, so. Maybe I'll stay in Vegas. If we were in Fernley or whatever, we wouldn't be able to be just getting this part right now. Although we would be able to get a new one, but I don't know. I guess Vegas is growing back on me. After we're done with the training arc, we just live out of our car for a while and then buy like a condo or something. I don't know. It'll probably take a couple years, honestly. We gotta get our games, man. That's our dream, right? We gotta keep following our dreams. Never give up. Make your dreams happen. Hey, I remember you. Look at this thing. It's been taken apart. Yeah, no alternator. This is the one we picked the charcoal canister off of. Alternator's still here. They cut the wires for whatever reason, but we'll check this one out, or the new one. There's looks like a 2008 as well in row 3, so we'll look at that one first. Here's the 2008. I don't know what the speckling is, but I think we might want to get this one because it has the sticker on it, so it's for sure original OEM part. Take one more look at the red one, because we want to get some of the mounting points for the headlights anyways. I don't know, it's hard to tell. I think this one's in better condition. I'm kind of trying to look at the copper. You see how bright and shiny the copper is? It also has the sticker, so it's OEM as well. So I guess we're just gonna pull this one. So you've got a 12 mil here. Once this bolt is out, then you have an adjustment nut down here that is 14 mil. That's like it's like a pretty long bolt, so I think you just loosen it and then undo it by hand. Okay, yeah, so once you loosen it, you can just kind of yank on it till it comes out, and that's the alternator. Pretty simple. It just rests between this bracket on this pivot point. So I'm also gonna grab these bolts while we're here for the headlights. I mean, I kind of want the bumper too. It's in pretty good shape, but they're just too expensive for what they are. I mean, I got all sorts of blue stuff on my hand. The warranty was only $3, so we got that for 30 days, just in case. And then we get 10 bucks back if we bring our core back. So they like stamped it. It's crazy. Blue stuff everywhere. All right, well, hopefully this thing works and it solves our problem. Let's, I don't know. I've been kind of what's the word? Depresso, you know? Some days I just wake up and I don't want to be here at all. But no, we're good. We're fine. Everything's fine. Everything's good. Nothing's on fire. Everything's fine. This will fix the part. Everything's gonna be fine. And yeah, so we're going to replace the alternator back at the Mark's base camp, and I'm probably gonna get some Del Taco because Del Taco is happiness, love. Well, they never got back to me, so maybe I hate Del Taco. I don't know. Everything's on fire. Just kidding. Make sure you disconnect the battery when working on anything in the electrical system, or basically anything on the car. Now we just have to do the same thing we did in the junkyard, but in reverse. So take this bolt off, then take that bolt off. Okay, so before I take this bolt off, I'm gonna mark it so we know where it should be again. This one was some brake cleaner, and all the blue stuff came off, so we can maybe get an idea of how this is supposed to come off by looking at it here. Seems like there's just a lip, so maybe a flathead and just pry it off. So like a lip right here, so maybe just a flathead. Let's try to mess with this one first. Okay, yeah, so for messing with the old one, you just kind of take a flathead underneath here. I'm gonna try to use this. Just won't give up. Oh, okay, well, that's one way to do it. So the nut that this is attached to is a 10 mil. So yeah, that's this post here is a 10 mil, and that's the power, whatever, this thing. So this has the power line on it. So you take that off. Okay, so I'm having an extremely hard time getting this bolt to release. I'm not sure what is going on, but yeah, I don't want to chew it up. I'm probably gonna have to jack the car up and then maybe see if we can get some more leverage. But it's really hot right now, so I'm probably gonna wait. So because we got hit, this is kind of warped a bit, so we have to kind of maneuver this back and forth until we got the bolt to catch. And now that that's catching, it's just doing everything back in reverse. We'll put the adjuster slide back on, and then the right direction, and then we'll line it up with our marking, that one there. Now that the 6 hydrochloric module vanes have been connected, we're gonna see if we get voltage again. One thing I forgot to mention is when you try to pull the bolt out at the bottom one, you're gonna have this bracket that's in the way. So you kind of have to remove that bolt in order to move the slide the bracket to the side, and then that will allow you to pull the alternator support bolt all the way out. We'll take this back to the junkyard to get the core fee. All right, yeah, looks like the battery light is off now. Congratulations, now you know how to replace an alternator on a 2007 Toyota Yaris and most 1NZ engines. If you want to see more videos on how to fix your car, check this out. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.